Hey guys, welcome back. Mike here. Another quick episode of Mike's RC Corner. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm just doing this here for the OSMO Mobile 3 gimbal that I got from DJI. And this was a long time coming to help do better video for my channel and to stabilize the video. Not using the video editor to do it, but to get the gimbal to steady the camera on my phone. Now, also, you have to use the DJI app on this thing, and I'll just show you what all comes. I bought the cheaper package. There's one that comes with some bonus stuff, but I already have an extra stand here, and this collapses, so you can screw it into the bottom of the gimbal itself. This can mount to a tripod, and you can use that to steady, and this will actually give me a little extra grip, and it'll make the selfie videos be that much better. Now, there's plenty of videos. I'm a very latecomer to the OSMO 3 mobile. There's plenty other videos about this out there that will show you how to do it with videography and do all the jazzy things, but I'm going to show you a little bit of perspective from a guy who does RC. And just so you know, you get this cool bag. You got USB-C charging cable, plugs in over here. Now these are the buttons here. There's one over here on the back side, and this whole thing motorizes. Now the best part about it is that the DJI app works really well. It's like the best app software that you can have. Back on my channel I got the Zhiyun one, and it is nowhere near as good as this app, especially when it comes to tracking. So enough talking about this gimbal. I want to show you some footage. I'm just using a budget China phone, the Redmi Note 5. I found it worked quite well, and I'll show you the video. Now, the best thing, this thing has like active tracking, so you can track faces or objects. And in the video upcoming here, right after this, the video footage, I got an RC, I put it out on the road, I did active tracking on the RC, put this in sport mode, and let the gimbal follow the RC around. And you'll see how steady the footage is and how well it was able to keep up. Now, would it be able to keep up with something ripping doing 60 kilometers an hour? Probably not. But for this purposes, for tracking some RC, so I could do demo videos and get you guys some steady footage of new RCs, and also when I do other videos of unboxings and things with, like, say, with my track and stuff like that, we have some stabilized videos. So guys, stay tuned for this footage coming right up next. Thanks for tuning into this. I'll have more updates on this OSMO 3 mobile and how it's faring for my channel, and yeah, I can use it in other areas of my life, like vacation time and stuff like that. It works out real well. I've so far been quite impressed, and I think you guys might be impressed with this video footage coming up. So thanks for tuning in to this. Catch the footage, and we'll see you on the next one.